slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being
So guys, today we are
business on my big stepper underground.
So hi guys, welcome to Gamebros. So this is our episode 2 of Automobile Vlog. So today we are at the MHD INEOS Grenadier.
MHD sponsored by
So it's going to be an amazing event. As you know, it's like fully occupied and many people are there
mode
and full of car noises. So let's see that.
I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
The Grenadier is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 sourced from BMW. The engine is good for 282 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. Drive is to all four wheels through a standard 8-speed automatic gearbox and a 2-speed mechanical transfer case, which is operated by a chunky mechanical lever next to the gear selector. All versions of the Grenadier get a locking center differential as standard, which is engaged by moving.
Inside that,
yeah, we will test drive the off-roading.
Yeah, so we are also today accompanied by our best friend and our cameraman, Mr. Arjun.
Arjun, please come.
So this is Arjun, so he'll be our cameraman. So are you excited?
Excited for that?
Don't worry, he'll be there for our upcoming vlogs.
Yeah.
So let's go inside the car. So next Abhi is going. So guys, now Abhi is going to drive. Okay, so come on guys, let's go. So Abhi is going to drive today. They're going area. So we are coming. Sir, what's your name?
What's your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad, this is our trainer.
Momentum keep ചെയ്യണേ ആക്സിലറേറ്റർ ഇടണ്ട കേട്ടോ പയ്യെ ചവിട്ടിക്കണം
ഓഹോ
അവനെന്താ സ്പീഡ് കിപ്പപ്പ് ചെയ്യില്ല
മൊമെന്റം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നടാ റേസർ ലൈസൻസ് ഒക്കെ എന്നോട് ഓടിക്കല്ലേ
പക്ഷെ നിനക്കും കൂടെ ഓടിക്കാണ് അല്ലേ ഈ ഇവന്റ് ഇത്
Truly, how much is price? Is it base or
അപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങോട്ടൊക്കെ ഇത് നല്ല നല്ല ആവശ്യം കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഇനി ആ ഷോറിന്
I can show.
So now I'm going to drive.
അത് ഈ വൈകൂടല്ലേ ഇത്?
What is that?
ഇത് മറ്റേ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആവും.
Does this model have a manual transmission?
No one, only automatic.
Automatic and power, no?
Yeah.
So what these buttons?
This button, this for differential lock front and rear. There some button is extra you can add on LED, fog lamps and for your camping, everything you can add it. It's all free.
All
You
free.
can order.
Okay, like custom.
Yes, custom. Yeah.
So how much time it will take to transfer the differential,
Which
to engage the differential?
no need when you have to put in the low drive. You can't take put the differential lock rear or front. But the middle no need. Actually no need for rear and front because we have center this lock.
Oh, okay, center difference.
So your name?
Muhammad Al-Baluchi.
Noble Roshi.
അതിനെ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എടുക്കുമോ?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. See you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
വാങ്ങിയാ?
വീഡിയോ വീഡിയോ അപ്പൊ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കണേ? ഇല്ല ഇല്ല. See our YouTube channel. ചത്തോ? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ഓക്കെ, ശുക്രാൻ. So guys, now we are at the McDonald's. So Abhi is busy editing. So we look at the camera.
So guys,
So let's wind up the video, and we had an absolute blast. We drove the new.
so we tested the video. You can see the video.
We also tested the MHD Grenadier, and we also got the chance to drive one of the powerful
Powerful
FJ
FJ cruiser. Yeah, the video. You can see the video last.
And Abhi and Arjun also have made an amazing blast. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like
Subscribe.
and comment down below, and let's wait for more upcoming videos and more amazing vlogs are going to come. So that's all. Thanks for watching.